Good morning everyone, I am Prince Raj standing before you to present my PPT on the topic of why C language. Why C language important even after 15 years? As you all know, the C language was developed for writing the Unix operating systems. Today, even this C language is more important to develop so many softwares. Later on, if we have seen that new softwares and new system software were developed earlier in C language, and even today, if we are going to see that today C language used for develop the new software. So there is a question arises why where the C language being used even at today date. As we all know, in new computer or mobile phones, a basic software required to run the OS. For example, it can be a Linux, Unix, Android, Mac, etc. As you know that the OS which on which we working, there most of the part are coded in the C language, so that as I have written that the most of the library operations written in C language. I have already given an example. Moving to the next topic, which is language compiler. As we all know that computer cannot understand the human language, so that they can understand they can convert the language into the machine language, and that is compiler. And the compiler C, C++, Java, all these compiler coded into C language. Moving ahead, the text editor, Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Office, etc. are also coded in the C language. Device driver. As we know, if we want to use printer, you have to connect it printer to the computer, and first message so is to installing the drivers, and then you can use the printer. And there is also the drivers also coded in the C language. Moving the next is major part of web browser: Google, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox, or whatever the web surfing we are doing on the web page, that's all are the coded in the C language. Next is virus, antivirus. The antivirus which is required for a computer is also coded in the C language. Next is robotic embedded system, which is for the electronic engineer, that is really needed, and they are also coded in the C language. That's as you can see how the C language is important after even 50 years, because the C language is needed for today demand, and their requirements match the today demands, so that we can develop the best operating systems and OS for the our use. That's all from my side. Thank you.